Finally, the best free AI video generator is back, and this time, it's even more powerful than ever. Now you can create stunning AI videos completely free without constantly worrying about running out of credits. But that's not even the best part. In this video, I'll show you the exact workflow to create high-quality YouTube videos, extend them into longer clips, keep your characters consistent, and reveal a hidden trick that most people still don't know about. So let's get started. If you've tried using Meta AI recently, you've probably noticed that the video generation feature is gone. Now, you can only generate images, and that's left a lot of creators looking for another free option. The good news is Meta's video model is still here, it's just being used in a different way, and once you know the right workflow, you can still generate amazing AI videos completely free. Let me show you exactly how to set it up. The first thing we need is a good prompt, because the better your prompt is, the better your final video will look. So instead of writing everything ourselves, we'll let Meta AI do the hard work. Just describe the scene you want to create and ask Meta AI to turn it into a detailed cinematic video prompt. If the result isn't exactly what you're looking for, keep refining it until you're happy with it. Once your prompt is ready, copy it, because we'll use it in the next step to generate our video. Now, open Vibes AI and log in your account. This is Meta's new AI video generation platform. Just click New, paste the prompt we created, and generate your first video. The results already look really good, but there's one problem. Every video is generated in a vertical format, and if you're creating content for YouTube, that's obviously not what we want. Luckily, there's a simple trick to fix it. To fix that, go back to Meta AI and generate an image using the exact same prompt. But this time, add 16:9 at the end of your prompt. This is the trick. Instead of creating a vertical image, Meta will generate it in a horizontal format that's perfect for YouTube. Download the image, head back to Vibes AI, and open the Generate Video section. Now upload your image as the start frame. Paste the same prompt and generate your video. And just like that, you've turned a vertical-only workflow into a true 16:9 AI video. But we're not done yet, because the next feature makes these videos even more useful. One feature I really like is auto extend. Instead of generating a brand new video every time, it takes the last frame of your clip and naturally continues the animation. With just a few clicks, you can turn a short clip into a much longer video without starting over. But there's still one annoying problem. If you download the video normally, you'll notice one small problem. Thankfully, there's a quick fix. Go back to your project, stay on the video preview, right-click, and open Inspect. Now select the video element, open it in a new tab, and you'll get the clean version that you can download directly. It only takes a few seconds, and once you know this trick, you'll never have to deal with that problem again. Now that we've covered the basics, let me show you a few hidden features that make this workflow even more powerful. The first one is ingredients. This is probably one of my favorite features because it helps keep your characters, scenes, and overall style consistent across different generations. For example, you can upload your own character or simply choose one from the library. Then every time you generate a new image or video, it will use that same character as a reference. You can even add a scene reference to keep the environment and visual style consistent throughout your entire project. Once you've generated all your clips, head over to the timeline. Here you can arrange your scenes, trim clips, add subtitles, music, sound effects, and put your entire video together without switching to another editor. One thing I should mention is that depending on your region or if the servers are really busy, you might occasionally run into a temporary generation limit. That's completely normal. During my testing, I generated plenty of videos without running into any major issues, but your experience can vary depending on server load. And that's pretty much the complete workflow, from creating the perfect prompt, generating consistent images and videos, extending your clips, all the way to editing your final project in one place. All right, guys, that's it for this video. If this workflow helped you out, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop them in the comments below. I read as many of them as I can, and I'll do my best to help. If you're into AI tools, tutorials, and the latest AI workflows, don't forget to subscribe because I've got a lot more videos coming your way. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.